I'm Colin, and this might just be the coolest car you've never heard of. This is the Ultima RS. Rather than being made and assembled in a factory just like any other car, this you must build. All of the parts are sent in a crate from England and shipped to the owner for him or a shop to build. This is going to be wild, so buckle up, subscribe, and enjoy this wild ride.
Pretty nice for seats like this. They hug me though. The seats do hug me a bit, but overall not horrible. Suspension is stiff, but actually shockingly compliant, like considering what it is. It's not horrible. Drains if you're on a smoother part of the highway, but over the bumps that we do hit, it's not horrible. You can hear everything inside of this car except for your own thoughts. So you hear the motor, the transmission. And the rear differential. It's very bouncy though. It is quite bouncy when it gets over some lumps. It doesn't soak them up. On this car. Now one thing I must note about it is that it makes normal, even like going under the speed limit, feel insane.
To power this car, you have many great options, but of course we got the biggest one in this one that you can possibly get. So this is the 6.2 liter supercharged V8 LT5 from the C7 Corvette ZR1, which is also built. So it makes 1,000 horsepower at the crank in a car that weighs like 2,000 pounds. This is going to be pretty scary. And all of that insanity is mated to a fully built 6-speed manual transmission with billet components from a 997 generation Porsche 911 GT2 RS just to handle that extreme power. Needless to say, to experience the Ultima RS is insanity. The greatest way to describe the sensations felt is to be mediating a Jurassic Park fight. Now let's pull over and check out the rest of the car, but before we do so, please be sure to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss another insane video like this. In front of the car you have all sorts of insane aero, like these ducts for the radiator in the front, this humongous carbon front splitter, as well as the side skirts, as well as the carbon fiber wheel vents on the wheel arches to relieve air pressure from the wheel well. And the side profile is insane because it's just pure function. You also have these butterfly doors, which are absolutely insane and very light.
We've got obviously air intakes, more vents, and these really beautiful gold wheels. And of course, behind the car, you have the huge rear wing, the mid-exit exhausts, and massive rear diffuser. It's just wild. So to get in the car is a chore. You'll see what I mean. That's why I thought I shot it. And it's even louder. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. So here we are inside the Ultima RS, and I would never be able to drive it because I cannot fit. My knees are up by the dash. Like it's just not happening. Like there's no way that I would ever be able to get myself comfortable in this driver's seat. But you have a plethora of switches. You obviously have your transmission in the center. We have like all sorts of light switches and hazard switches, and yeah, it's there's a lot of buttons in here. The steering wheel is cool though, and there's more buttons on it. So yeah, you've got more hazard lights, turn signals, horn, bright lights, window washers, stuff of that sort. So yeah, it's a very interesting interior. You have one screen in here, and it's basically an iPad that you plug in, as well as a little radio control thing, but that's pretty bare bones.
This car is well optioned out, and one of the most notable options is the extensive carbon fiber package. However, the most interesting of them is the watch. When ordering one of these, you could get a Louis Erard fully mechanical watch with an engraved matching chassis number on the watch. Only 70 timepieces were made for this car, and it costs a cool $3,000. The Ultima RS is a hidden gem in the car world. It has a character and an attitude that no other car can match. It is an unforgiving masterpiece that deserves way more recognition than it currently has. To experience the Ultima RS is like mediating a Jurassic Park fight. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and turn that bell on so you don't miss another video like this one.